Welcome back. Let's talk about strings in JavaScript and the common methods that you can use with strings. So for example, say we have a string and we will call it fruit. Now, there are a lot of things that we can do here. So we can obviously add in something to escape a line. So if we had to escape line, and to escape a line or add a new line, you can do that in a pretty simple way by doing /n. So if I wanted to let more fruits equal banana and then apple, right? If I actually ran this, in here, you'll see it'll say apple, banana. It's writing a new line. If I remove this and I go here, it says it in one line. So this functionality that we just added is new line. Okay. Now there are other things we can do as well. So I can go to this fruit and I can get its length and I can print that out. So let's do console.log. And we'll see that it has a length of 6. So banana has 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And it's not counting from 0. It's counting the overall length. Now, another thing we can do is we can look for things inside of a string. So now I can do console.log and I'm going to do fruit.index of. So this is to get an index and to see if something can be found within a string. So if I have my string banana, well, can I find an n in there? So let's see what it says. If I refresh, it gives me a 1. Can we find a q in banana? Probably not. So now it should give me a -1. So this is how you can see if something can be found and what its index is. Now let's say that we give it a nan. It should say that it's finding at index 2 probably. Let's take a look. Yep, it starts finding it at 2. Okay, so that's how that works. What other things do we have? We can do slicing. So I can copy this and then I can actually fruit slice and I can say slice it from 2 to 4. Let's see what I get back, and I get NA. Well, let's try it slicing it from 2 to 6 and I get NA. This is 2 because this is 0. Then this is 1. The A is 1. Then the N is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And that's how this works. So it slices it from that N all the way to an A. So including and then up to. So up to 6 and then including the 2. So this is how slicing works. Besides slicing, there are a few other ones we can use. For example, we can use find and replace. Replace, right? So if we, wherever we find BAN, replace it with 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now it prints out, instead of banana, it says 1, 2, 3, Anna. Other common ones you want to use in JavaScript will be the following. To uppercase. Let's test it. You have banana, all uppercase. Then if we run it again, and you have banana, all lowercase. Great. What else can we do? We can also concatenate strings with .concat, but you don't need to do that if you are just using the regular plus sign. You can get the character of a string given the index. So I can say character at, car at, and I'll say 2, and it'll give me n. I can also get a character by doing this. So these two are the same thing. And then a few other common methods that you want to care about are the following. You always have dot split. So you can split a string on a comma. Okay, so this is saying, hey, split a string by whatever it's got. So it's splitting it based on every single character. So I'm getting back an array with 6 letters in there, B-A-N-A-N-A. If I said split by comma, it should just give me an array of 1. So now imagine if I had a CSV file that looked like this, that had apple and orange and berry, a blackberry. And if I go in here, now you'll notice it'll give me a list with 4 items inside of it, thanks to the split functionality. So I want to add a little note that, remember, this is split by a comma. And this default that you might think splits by a comma, because that's what the default in Python does. It does not. It splits by whatever is there. So this is split by character. All right. Great. Okay, so these are the common string operations that I wanted to share with you in this video. That's it. Thank you for watching. As always, I love your face, and I'll see you in the next video.